What's up, everybody? Happy St. Patty's Day to ya. Market up or down? The market was up today. Pretty strong day. But you can see we're still under the 200. Keep that in your mind. Don't worry about this MACD and all this other stuff. Keep a level head. All right, and just follow the plan. So let's check the brokerage out. You can see we had 2 sales today. Always good to sell stock on a market up day, especially when we're down from the highs. This is true alpha. When you take your chips off the table, you can't lose them. So safety goes up, and that's how you lock in the alpha. So KTB, 4 shares, 63.36. Let's update our spreadsheet. Alrighty, and we got 317. Of course, we've already hit our monthly goal, so this is all gravy, and I like gravy. I like gravy, baby. All right, so we'll pull that down, and we'll get right into the next one, which is JP Morgan Chase, 234.54. These huge positions kind of skew the averages and everything a little bit, but there's no way around it. And they also skew the averages down. So if the strategy didn't work, you would see really, really bad performance. But instead, since it does work for me, I mean, you have to pick your own investment strategy, but for me, it works. And we're up to 27.35. So it just explodes the gains a little bit. You see here, we hit our number here for 500. So we need to add 10 into investing. We're halfway to where we're going to start pulling some stuff out. I do already have the app pulled up here. And you can see we have $10, and we also have 36 cents over here. All right. And if your investment account does not look like this, you are doing it wrong. Okay. Investments are way different than trading, and should be safer, right? So over here you can see actual over target. So the actual over target that is not the 50% is the high yield. So we're going to go in here and again, actual over target. We're still building up this QQQY position. So that's what I'm going to take. And bada bing, bada boom. Cash, I'm going to do 10 and the 36 cents. Let's get it in there. You know what I mean? All right. So as we go to investing, you can see the dividends, they are moving. We had a little weird funky thing going here, but that'll all be fixed after the next statement. So I'm excited to show that with you. But things are growing up and to the right, just like the other account. And since the market is up, we're not going to buy any more stocks. You can see I'm halving cash almost. That's a very safe place to be. Like I said before, don't just assume that the market's going to go straight up. It could, but nobody knows. All right. So if you're like, oh, we got a big green day, we're going up. Your emotions will tell you to do exactly the wrong thing in the stock market. It will cost you a lot of money. So it's important that you have a plan, you stick to it, and that's what I'm doing here. Again, I'm not your licensed financial advisor. I'm not licensed for anything. But this is what I'm doing. I'm a regular dude. There's nothing special about me. I'm not super bright. But I have developed my own strategy, pulling from people that are doing their own thing, and created my own little secret sauce, and it works fantastic for me, and I'm happy to show you folks here. And just for sharing my journey and entertainment. You have to make your own financial decisions. So don't just blindly follow me. But you can see here with a $10 weekly deposit, we profited about $5 just today. And eventually, I'm excited to see as the account grows and grows and grows and grows and grows, you start to see that the deposit becomes less of a factor, and the trade profits and also the dividends become the self-healing mechanism that keeps the account going. It will feed itself. It will grow exponentially. So if you're a doubter, subscribe, stay tuned, hit the like button, share it, and enjoy the ride. And if it kind of seems like I kind of know what the answer is already, I do, because I have a main account that I did several years prior to starting this one, just for uh, illustration purposes. So hopefully y'all appreciate that. If you do, let me know down below. Make sure to leave a like on your way out. Thank you for watching. How are you doing? This has been a very gnarly ride down. If this is your brand new to the market and you're starting to see a little bit of, oh crap, every day things don't go my way, and you're not used to that in your normal life, this could be scary. But for somebody like me and the real people that are out there getting it every day, this is exciting times. Um, I'm hoping things continue to go down. If you know price action trading, uh, odds are we'll go down. But nobody knows. Nothing's 100%, except for so far on my strategy, 8 years in. And you got to think through COVID crash, which was the fastest crash in all-time history, 100%. So thousands and thousands and thousands of trades, no losers. That's how I roll. I can't guarantee your results because I don't know if you're going to screw it up or not. Most people that I talk to about stocks, they don't do what I do. So obviously they can't mimic my results. But you can see here, every trade shown. Go back, watch the older videos, speed up your learning. I wish somebody had showed me this. I would have been all in. But you can see we're big picture. We're about the same level we were here back in July. And so all this alpha we've gained trading is all locked in alpha, but we're also have our cash back in to load up, to be aggressive with super safe situations and destroy the market average. Regular people can beat the S&P for long-term periods. And as you'll see on the likely next deposit to the investing account, we'll be buying the S&P. So when you create alpha trading and then you use part of those profits to actually buy more of the S&P, alpha is certain. So that's how I approach the markets. I do a lot of other stuff in my other accounts. If you want to see more of that, let me know. I will not do them on this channel, but I've just been kind of curious. I'm doing cash flow stuff, option stuff, all kinds of stuff. So if you want more, let me know down below. And have an awesome St. Patty's Day. Luck of the Blarney Stone, or whatever we're going to do. Bring out the shillelagh. Beat the hell out of your neighbor. Whatever you like to do. Have an awesome St. Patty's Day. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.